Hello friends, today the review and the demo is about ZEP, the ZEP, ready to use hardwood and laminate floor cleaner. I found it while I was shopping for this quarantine. I found it at Home Depot. Great product. I have used it once and thought of showing it to you guys. My spray mop is not working. I don't know why. So luckily I had this sprayer in my garage. I put some in this one and I will use my Swiffer mop. It doesn't need to be mixed with anything. It's a new look and the same formula. Quite a big 1 gallon bottle with a handle. And this is my room, which is usually a high traffic area in the house. It needs a nice mop. Have your gloves on and ready. Here are some other products which I really like to clean the wood flooring. The trick is, which I learned from cleaning helper, that in a bucket of warm water, add Fabulosa, Murphy oil soap. It safely cleans the wood, and few drops, 2 to 3 drops of palm olive or any dish soap. And then mix it. You fill it in your spray mop or just mop the floor with your Swiffer mop. So it brings a shine to the floor and leaves it very clean for easily 2 to 3 days. So these are the other favorite products which I use to safely clean hardwood or laminate. Try these, keep your house clean. I know these days everyone is focusing on cleaning, cooking, staying safe. Keep doing it. Stay safe, stay well, keep watching the videos. Till next time, take care. Goodbye.